This is the morning weather briefing. This is for Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025. This is James Spann. Many are waking up to snow falling this morning over parts of North Alabama. In fact, let's just begin with some video. This is what it looks like over the Tennessee Valley this morning. So far, the forecast kind of unfolding as expected here. And you can see the roads look generally wet, but understand temperatures are below freezing and the bridges could be very icy. So if you are driving in the snow zone this morning across North Alabama, just be very careful. We have snow falling as far south as counties like Marion, Winston, Coleman. Obviously, we have snow falling there in Huntsville. And again, the observations are showing temperatures in the upper 20s and low 30s in that part of the state. So again, while the roads look okay, and I'm live here at 5:20 this morning, understand as more traffic gets out there and folks start to kind of tap on the brakes and some of the icy spots, there could be some issues here. So be very careful if you're driving. Hey, that's the way to get your photo on the video here. That's from Florence up in the Shoals, and that's a gorgeous shot right there. That was taken from Redstone Arsenal in Huntsville early this morning. So we'll peek at the radar. And again, this is the product called precipitation depiction, and it's an algorithm doing its best to figure out where we have rain and snow falling, and it's not perfect. But again, clearly for Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, south, just rain. In fact, let's go right to the numbers, and you can see temperatures are way above freezing. Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston 44. Gadsden's doing fine. They've got 39. But we do have 32 for Coleman and Winfield. Fayette barely above freezing at 33. Haleyville 28. Huntsville 30. The Shoals sitting around 30. So again, the winter weather advisory is working out very well this morning. That's the advisory. You can see it's as far south as Lamar, Fayette, Walker, Coleman, Blount, Etowah, Cherokee counties, and counties north. And again, the southernmost counties, they're generally above freezing, but there could be a few colder pockets where there might be a touch of bridge icing. But again, obviously the bigger concern is over the Tennessee Valley this morning, where they could see 1 to 2 inches of snow. This is the radar composite. And again, you can kind of clearly pick out the difference there between the snow that's falling over North Alabama and the rain to the south. And most of the state just getting a cold rain this morning. But again, north of that line from around Fayette to Jasper, Aniana, Fort Payne, we've got some snow falling. Quickly, here's the upper air look, and a big trough will be evolving over the eastern states. It's going to pull down some very cold air. Severe weather, no. Maybe some thunder near the Gulf Coast this morning, but no severe weather anytime soon. And with the cold air coming in, no thunderstorms tomorrow, no thunderstorms on Friday. This is the precipitation for the next 7 days, and really not much at all. After this situation this morning, we're going to be dry through the middle part of next week, an unusually dry pattern setting up here for this time of the year. Typically, it's fairly wet and unsettled. So let's quickly go through modeling. Model fans, here's the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid today at 3. There's your trough developing. But everything's out of here this afternoon. Again, this is what the radar should look like about 6 o'clock this evening. There might be a few lingering little spotty showers over southeast Alabama, but everything's gone and we're just cold. Clouds will likely linger. Tomorrow, we're going to start the day below freezing for most of the state, and the wind chill index tomorrow morning will likely be in the single digits over North Alabama. But the sky becomes sunny. If you're in the Tennessee Valley, you stay below freezing all day tomorrow. The rest of the state with highs in the 30s, maybe low 40s in South Alabama. This is Friday morning, and I think this will be the coldest morning. And these are not wind chill indices. These are actual air temperatures Friday morning. Teens all the way down into central Alabama. A freeze all the way down to Gulf Shores. Temperatures in the 20s at Gulf Shores and Orange Beach and Fort Morgan. So very cold, but the sky will be sunny. Friday will be a sunny day, and again, we're expecting highs in the 40s and 50s. And then for the weekend, we start to warm up. There's a look at Saturday. There's a look at Sunday. Evidence there could be a little rain west of the state, but again, we expect that not to impact us because of dry air. We'll be in the 50s over the weekend. Monday, we're dry. We're back in the 60s. Tuesday, the high will be in the 70s over the southern half of the state. Around 70 for Birmingham, 60s for the Tennessee Valley. And a week from today, Wednesday the 26th, zonal flow, dry air mass, mostly sunny and mild. Let's go out 10 days. This is Friday, the 28th. As we wrap up February, again, we are dry and pleasant with highs in the 60s. Rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble. The mean is up there about 1.5 inches between now and the 6th of March. And really, that's not that much for this time of the year. We're getting into the wet season. March and April tend to be very wet and stormy. And there's our look at our rebound. The high for Birmingham tomorrow, 34. We drop down to 17 Friday morning. But by Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, the high will be close to 70. And the latest long-range guidance from CPC, this is the 8 to 14-day outlook for the 26th through the 4th of March. Temperatures near average. So once again this morning, we've got snow falling over the northern quarter of Alabama. And the winter weather advisory continues. We'll probably see some folks up in the Tennessee Valley getting 1 inch or 2 of snow this morning to start the day. And temperatures in the Tennessee Valley will likely stay below freezing all day. I have no way of knowing future road conditions. That's the one thing people always ask, and we're not trained in forecasting future road conditions. We just don't have any way of knowing that. So the advice, it's to go to the ALDOT traffic site and look at real-time conditions there. But temperatures will stay below freezing, again, over the valley all day today and all day tomorrow. So there could be some lingering icy spots on bridges. But for most of Alabama, just simply a cold rain falling early this morning. And again, for Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, temperatures are well above freezing. Anniston 44. Obviously, you're not going to have any icy problems there. Birmingham 38, Tuscaloosa 40. Now, these numbers should slowly fall during the day today, but by the time we get to the freezing mark this evening in central Alabama, the rain will be long gone. But of course, if by chance there's any little standing water somewhere, there could be a bit of patchy ice, but we just don't expect any issues there. So going to be at Clay Elementary School this morning, quickly going through the schedule here. Looking forward to seeing my friends there. Tomorrow going to be down in Enterprise at Pinedale Elementary. Friday, Prattville, Daniel Pratt Elementary School. And then Saturday, I'll be speaking to the Alabama Oncology Nursing Association. And no book signing on Saturday. And, of course, as always, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.